decided to do a biking trip in parts of Meghalaya in December 2018. Visiting Shnongpdeng was a must. We had tried to book a tent there, but since it was Christmas time, we did not get reservation. Shnongpdeng is around 8 km from Dawki. We spent many hours there. The best was when I got to do solo kayaking for around 30 to 40 minutes. Surrounded by dense forest, the emerald green river Umngot is clear as glass. That is why it is called the river that floats in air. The river is so clear you can practically count the pebbles and rocks. There is an old bridge, and if you are not afraid of heights, you should definitely take a walk there. Apart from kayaking, the other water sports you can do cliff jumping, snorkeling, and scuba diving. Kayaking can be done solo or in two or in a group as well. Boating is also available. One of the best sunsets I watched was at Shnongpdeng. Life seemed to be perfect at that moment.